Hello guys, this is Shujat from the Linux Gurus. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss how we can install Python 3, the latest version, and also pip on Ubuntu systems. So before we start our tutorial, let's discuss what is Python. Python is a programming language and it is one of the easiest language to learn. Basically the syntax that we use in Python is very simple and it is very easy to understand, so that's make it quite easy to get used to. And then Python has large number of libraries. In fact, you can find a library for whatever your user case may be, and that is due to the fact it has a large community of its users. So where do we use Python? Python basically is being used for web development, is being used for data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, web scraping, and also for automation purposes. In DevOps it's used very heavily and it is one of the most desired skill needed for a DevOps engineer. So now let's discuss what is pip. Pip in simple terms we can say is a package manager for Python based applications. So if there is a Python based application, you can find it in pip repositories. Consider pip like how we have apt or yum or dnf installing packages in Ubuntu and CentOS OS respectively. So pip is similar to that only, but only for Python applications. So pip is a recursive acronym for pip install Python or pip install packages. I know it can be a bit confusing. So now let's start with the installation of Python first. Python comes pre-installed on almost all Linux distributions. So let me fire up my virtual machine. I have created a virtual machine in my VirtualBox. So let me fire it up. I am already logged in to my session. I can just simply install Python using the command sudo apt install python 3. So I am installing the latest version of Python 3, and then we can actually check Python version. That is actually we are using Python 3, so we need to explicitly mention Python 3 here to check the version. So the version is Python 3.9.4. Now let's install Python pip on this system. So the command to install that is sudo apt install python 3-pip. So here you can see it's installing. It will take somewhere around 216 MB of data disk space to install Python pip. But what I am going to do, I am not going to install it using this way. Actually I am going to show you a universal way using which you can install Python pip on other Linux distributions like Fedora or CentOS etc. as well. So first I am going to create a separate directory for keeping that Python script in. And then I will cd into it. Now then I will run the command to download that script. So you can find this command in the link attached in the description below. Okay, so curl is not installed because this is a fresh machine. I have not installed anything on it. So I can install curl using sudo apt install curl. Now that we have curl installed, I will run the command again. So it's downloaded. Now to install this script, I will run the python 3 and then the script name. So this will install the pip script on my server. So it says successfully installed pip. Now to check that installation is successful or not, I will run the command pip-fn version. You can see that pip version it's 21.1.2 is installed, and then it's using Python 3.9. So now let's install a package using pip command. So to install a package, I mean most commonly you package that we install is Ansible, so we will install that using the command pip install space Ansible. It will take some time, so let me speed up the video. So it's collecting various packages for Ansible, and then at last it has installed the Ansible on our system. So guys, this was our tutorial on how we can install Python 3 latest version and also pip on our Ubuntu system. So if you liked our video, I hope you will share it and subscribe to our channel, and thank you then. Bye bye.